Viessmann requires that only licensed contractors perform installation and service on their boilers. Viessmann also recommends attending their Academy training, which covers all aspects of installation, service, and troubleshooting. Hello, my name is Mark Keenan, and we're here in the training room at Viessmann headquarters in Warwick, Rhode Island, and we're going to go over the liquid propane gas conversion for your Viessmann's 100 boilers. And aside from the conversion kit, the only thing you're going to need is a wrench and a torque screwdriver. So the first thing you want to do is pull out this plug on the side, and then use your wrench. Take this guy off. There's going to be an old seal in there. You just take that out, throw it off to the side. Use your screwdriver to take out these two screws. We'll just fast forward to when this thing is out. Okay. Now that it's out, as you can see, you need only take the little orifice change that came into the container and put it into this side right here where the arrow on top is pointing. Just slide it right in. Okay. And then you take your new seal, place it in, and turn back to where it came from. Once everything is back to where it's supposed to be, you take the two stickers that came in your package, you go onto this side of the boiler, and you simply stick them on. Okay? Then the only thing you have left to do is coat it. And we'll go over to the lab and we'll show you how that's done. So you're going to start by turning the boiler on. This boiler is reading a fault because it's not currently hooked up to any gas or water, but that's okay. So we're going to start by hitting mode, and we're going to scroll down until the word confine starts flashing. We're going to hit OK. Here we're going to keep hitting the up button until we get to the number 12. Hit OK. Now you'll see this 1 flashing. We're going to go up to the number 5. You're going to see that it currently reads 0. That means that the boiler is configured for natural gas. We hit OK. If you change that to a 1, it will now be changed over to liquid propane. You'll hit OK. For any additional questions regarding installation, you can go to our website, scroll down to Contractors, and if you click on the Sales Network tab, you'll get a list of trained Viessmann sales representatives who provide local support to our customers. Thanks for choosing Viessmann, and have a nice day.